Hey you, wanting to know what's the fuss with overnight oats? Well, I'll tell you everything you need to know starting now. This is a great beginner's meal prep option because it's an easy, feel-good self-care act that you can do for yourself or your loved ones. Here's what you will need to make your own. Old-fashioned oats, also known as rolled oats. You can use gluten-free oats, but I do not recommend using steel cut or instant oats because they will not have the desired texture. For the milk, you can use almond or coconut. Almost any milk works for this. Using unsweetened milk allows you to better control what's inside your oats, whereas sweetened milk comes with the convenience of a sweetener built in, and that's the base of overnight oats. I know what you might be thinking. What about the chia seeds? Most recipes do call for chia seeds, but I see them as optional. They do, however, improve the texture and nutritional value of the oats by adding omega-3 fatty acids. The next optional ingredient adds flavor and sweetness, vanilla extract. This can also be swapped out for another flavor. Moving on to the sweeteners. Maple syrup reigns king of the overnight oats natural sweeteners, but brown sugar, stevia, or caramel could also do the job. Anything that lends sweetness. Other natural sweeteners include chopped dates and agave nectar. Finally, it's time to talk about the toppings. Non-dairy yogurt, nut butters, chocolate chips, seeds, fruits, berries, tree nuts, peanuts, and granola, the list goes on. The biggest thing I'd like you to remember is the sky is the limit and use your imagination when creating your own oats at home. Now that we know what can go into making overnight oats, let's learn how to make them, either individually or in a big batch. Mix 1 part oats to 1 part milk. If using, add in chia seeds and vanilla extract. Use about 1/8 to 1/4 of a part for chia seeds. That's all we need for the base, but you can also add in things like cinnamon or sweeteners at this point. If mixing in a big batch, spoon the oats into individual containers. Pour any of the remaining milk on top. Next, refrigerate your oats for at least 2 hours. After oats have soaked, top them off with your favorite ingredients. Try blackberry coconut oats by adding brown sugar, coconut yogurt, blackberries, and coconut flake. Make chocolate peanut butter banana oats by substituting chocolate milk and then topping it with peanut butter, fresh bananas, and chocolate chips. Or maybe some apple nut cinnamon oats, topped with maple syrup, fresh diced apple, cinnamon, ginger, and walnuts. For full measurements and more, visit the link in the description. Now that your oats are ready, they can be eaten cold, microwaved shortly, and enjoyed warm. Extra overnight oats can be stored in the fridge for 3 to 4 days or in the freezer, allowing them to be pulled and thawed as needed. I hope you found this information valuable. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please leave your requests down in the comments so I can make them in future videos. If you're new to my channel, my name is Eric. I make vegan, gluten-free, and other diet-restricted videos, as well as occasional nerdy recipes. Make sure to subscribe so you're not missing out. Our cooking adventures don't have to stop here. If you'd like to learn how to make some crispy kale chips in 3 fun flavors, click the video on the screen now to check it out. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one.